Everyone, I am Dunisha Pelamuni. Imagine a world where we can cure previously untreatable diseases, identify criminals with a mere strand of hair, and grow crops that can survive in the harshest climates. This is not a science fiction. It is the power of biotechnology. Today, I'll take you on a brief but fascinating journey through the amazing applications of biotechnology, covering gene therapy, forensic science, and agricultural biotechnology. So, what is biotechnology? Let's start by answering the big question. What is biotechnology? As its core, biotechnology is the science of using living organisms like bacteria or plant cells to create products and solve problems. Think of it like a toolbox that scientists use to solve some of the world's most complex challenges, whether it's improving health, solving crimes, or feeding the planet. So, next move on to the next part, gene therapy. A new hope for patients. Now, let's dive into gene therapy. Imagine being diagnosed with a genetic disease like cystic fibrosis or hemophilia. For years, these conditions were considered untreatable, but gene therapy is changing that story. Gene therapy works by repairing or replacing faulty genes with the patient's cells, like fixing a broken code in a computer. This approach doesn't just treat symptoms, it targets the root cause. For example, with cutting edge techniques, scientists can replace defective genes with healthy ones, giving patients a real shot at a normal, healthy life. Imagine the potential. No more lifelong suffering from genetic diseases, thanks to biology. Forensic science. Solving crimes with DNA next. Let's move into the world of forensic science, where biotechnology plays detective. You've probably seen crime shows where investigators collect DNA from a crime scene. Well, this is not a just TV drama, it's real science in action. Biotechnology allows us to take a tiny sample of blood, hair, or skin from a crime scene and use DNA analysis to create a unique profile, what we call a DNA fingerprint. This fingerprint is unique to each individual, making it a powerful tool to identify suspects. Think about it, with just a single hair, we can help solve cases, bring justice to victims, and even prevent future crimes. Biotechnology in forensic is not just solving mysteries, it's reshaping how we ensure justice. Now, let's move on to another one, molecular diagnosis. Personalized medicine biotechnology is also transforming healthcare through molecular diagnosis. Have you ever wondered how doctors can personalize treatment based on your genetics? That's molecular diagnostics in action. By analyzing the DNA and proteins in our cells, doctors can understand our unique biology and tailor treatments that work especially for us. It's like a custom made solution for your health. Imagine a future where medicine is not just about curing disease, it's about preventing it from happening in the first place. All thanks to biotechnology. Agricultural biotechnology. Feeding the world. Lastly, let's talk about agricultural biotechnology, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked applications. Look at this picture. With the global population expected to hit nearly 10 billion by 2050, how are we going to feed everyone? This is where biotechnology steps in, especially in the form of genetically modified crops or GMOs. Scientists can now tweak the genetic makeup of crops to make them resistant to pests, more nutritious, or able to grow in extreme climates. Imagine rice that grows in rough conditions or corn that naturally resists insects. These innovations are helping farmers grow more food with fewer resources. It's not just about feeding the world today, but ensuring food security for the future. So, in conclusion, as you can see, biotechnology is far more than just a science. It's revolutionary force that's transforming our world in ways we never thought possible. From curing genetic diseases to solving crimes with a single hair and feeding the planet with crops designed for resilience, biotechnology is shaping the future. So here are some references to study, and thank you for joining me on this journey today. Let's continue to explore the incredible possibilities in this field offers for our lives